On His Blindness by John Milton. So today I am going to discuss summary of the poem. So let's begin the summary of the poem. The poem is written in 1655 and published in 1673. This sonnet, written in the style of Petrarchan sonnet associated with the 14th century Italian poet Francesco Petrarch, is divided into 8 lines known as octave, introduce a problem. 6 line, sestet, find a solution. Octave rhyme ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. The sonnet is therefore a typical Petrarchan sonnet in the form, but in subject matter, the poem departs from the conventional theme of love to deal with physical and spiritual pain of the writer. The poem is a well-known autobiographical poem. So this is written in the first person narration, where the poet laments about his loss of sight. Milton lost his sight in 1652 when he was 44 years old. He wrote this poem in 1655 when he completely lost his vision. The poet reflects or talks about his blindness. He has become blind in the middle of his life. He has to live in the dark, wide, barren world for the rest of his life. He feels that God has gifted him with the greatest talent, that is, the writing poetry. He expresses a desire to serve God by using the ability which God has given him. Unfortunately, he is unable to fulfill his wish to write because of his blindness. Due to the pain of his being blind, Milton starts the poem in bitter tone. Milton feels that God might scold him for not using his talent. Milton asks whether God needs man's service. He foolishly questions, if God wants man to serve him, why did it take away the light from his eyes? He wonders whether he will be able to produce great works being blind. As Milton laments about his blindness and God's criticism, patience, a guardian angel arrives with the reply that God never needs man's service. Whoever is ready to bear the burden of his life will serve the God well. God has servants all over the world who are all the time serving him over the land and the sea without any rest. The poet realizes the fact that God does not need man's service and does not take away the talent he has given to man. His supreme power has countless servants. The people who accept all the struggle of life without questioning God serve him the best. Thus, the poem ends with a positive note. The octave of the poem starts with the pain and the problem of blindness. The sestet concludes with a positive note that accepting the entire struggle without lamenting is serving God. So, poet ends the poem with a positive note. So he says, they also serve who only stand and wait. So this line shows or reflects Milton's philosophy of life. So thank you very much for watching this video.